Hey, let me show you unboxing of the Redmi Note 13. So first of all, the quick overview of the box. On this side, we can actually find the device name with the information that we've got access into the Google Apps. On this side, the same. At the bottom, we can actually find the serial number, IMEI number, the color of our device. So as you can see, I've got the mint green, but on the box, I've got the black color. So there's like small difference. There's gigs of the RAM and the ROM, so basically the internal storage. And at the back we got, as you can see, this stickers that we have to cut out. It's actually called seals, the proper way to call it. So let's cut it and let's go inside. Okay, it's actually Redmi by Xiaomi. From this we can find the SIM tool, and we got the warranty card, the safety information, and we got actually the pretty nice looking case. The black case, it's silicone case, it's flexible, but this is actually the tough rubber. Okay, let's move forward. From this we've got our phone with the top specs, the 108 triple camera, the 120 Hz refresh rate, the immersive, fingerprint sensor, Snapdragon, but there's like no specific model, 33-watt fast charging with 5000 mAh battery. Let's open it. Okay, and this is how the device looks. Pretty nice. There's like no camera bumper, the big one, like for example in the Poco X5, X6. So there's like 1, 2, 3 lenses, the flashlight, the Redmi logo, the 108 megapixel camera. On the right side, the volume buttons, the power button. That's how the buttons sound. At the top we've got the AR blaster, speaker, headphone jack. At the bottom we can find SIM tray, USB-C port, another speaker. And at the screen we can also find the factory installed screen protection. This is the foil. So it will actually protect our smartphone from scratches. Now let's turn on this device and we are going to check other accessories. Okay, I feel the vibration, and now we got the Mi logo on the screen. So it actually comes without the HyperOS. As you can see right here, we can find the cable. This is the USB cable into the USB-A, the 33-watt charging brick, and from here, that's all. Okay, so this is it, the quick unboxing of the Redmi Note 13. If you are looking for more videos about this device, I can recommend you to go into the description of this video and simply open the other channels where I'm recording this short how-to videos. That's all right now, please subscribe.